around December 2023, I wanted to maybe design a website or something like that, and I haven't even do anything concerning programming language things. So, but I found out that as a beginner, maybe someone that is learning from YouTube, that I can program, that I can design a website without even having the knowledge of a programming language. So my question is that, is it possible to design a company or a good website with artificial intelligence, that is AI? Hello, good day fans. Today I'm here with
I'm
a
okay,
company.
Emmanuel.
Yeah,
I'm okay, Emmanuel. I'm a website developer. So,
okay. So we are here to discuss about computer science engineering and development. So if you want to earn from a studying of computer science and engineering, so this video is for you. And everybody knows that computer is now taking over almost everything. Maybe AI, financial system, that is a crypto, then and other things. So we want to learn something from him. But please, before we continue this video, I would like you to press like and subscribe button. It will help in the YouTube algorithm. And at the same time, it will help YouTube to send the notification to you anytime I upload a new video. Thank you.
as I said, I'm okay, Emmanuel. I'm a website developer. So, I want to give some necessary tips for those of us going into programming. If you want to go into programming, there are many fields involved. We have web development, we have software development, we have blockchain, we have gaming, we have artificial intelligence, we have cyber security, we have many more. So like I said, I'm a website developer. I started in 2020. Then me and my guys, I won't mention his name. He was the person that even told me some programming tips. So as a website developer, there is front end, there is back end. The front end are HTML, CSS, JavaScript. That's the core programming in front end. Then under CSS, we have what we call frame. We have under front end and back end, other programming in general. We have what we call frameworks. And in CSS, we have Bootstrap, we have Sass, we have Tailwind. And what those frameworks do is it help make the language easier to code. There is just like write less code and do much work. And that's the core aim of framework. So as and under JavaScript we have React, we have Angular, we have Vue, we have jQuery, we have many other. And then backend we have, for those of us if you want to go into backend development, you have several languages like Python, we have Python. That's under Python we have Django. That Django framework is the one for backend web development. And in JavaScript we also have a JavaScript library, that's Node.js. That Node.js is used for backend. And we have many more. Just those Django, and we have PHP. Yes, we have PHP. PHP is a server-side programming language under web dev.
Okay, this is good. Please, there is a question that is normally confusing me because I think around December 2023, I wanted to maybe design a website or something like that, and I haven't even do anything concerning programming language things. So, but I found out that as a beginner, maybe someone that is learning from YouTube, that I can program, that I can design a website without even having the knowledge of a programming language. So my question is that, is it possible to design a company or a good website with artificial intelligence, that is AI?
Yeah, we have AI tools for designing websites. Even this ChatGPT now, it can still
Yes.
give you tools. It can still give you tips to design a website. And we have some websites that have already been built that helps you to build a website without even having to code. Something like WordPress or Wix.
Or hosting.
Or those Hostinger is a hosting company, is a web
Yes.
hosting company. And when you sign up with Hostinger, when you get a plan with Hostinger, you can install WordPress on that your Hostinger account and be able to build a website without having to code. And the downside with all those that's what you call content management system. The downside with all this content management system is that there are some complex tasks that you can't do with them. Like maybe that WordPress now you can use it for maybe if you are building a blogging website or just all these websites that has to do with just passing of data, like just yeah, it's just, and a good example is video streaming or blogging. Just you can website is a good tool for that. But if you want to build a website, maybe if you are working on a forex broker or you are working on all this marketing, like involves graphs and
Maybe something like a crypto trading
all this crypto
plat.
trading,
Yes.
you maybe WordPress can't give you all the tools for that. So now we are done with web development. Maybe if you want to go into blockchain, is like a network where in blockchain is where you talk about all this Bitcoin and Ethereum and USDT. And one thing with blockchain is that if if you make a transaction, like maybe now you and people are in the same blockchain network now, if you do a transaction, everybody in that network will see the transaction receipt. So it makes it difficult for someone to do any fraudulent transaction on that blockchain, because if you do it, everybody on that network will see the transaction receipt. So and it's not only concerned with cryptocurrencies. So you can still use blockchain for other tasks. Like maybe if you look at the past election now, you can still if you look at the past election, you see that maybe that time they say that you will receive you will receive like votes in real time. If blockchain was used to do the election process, if someone votes, everybody on that network that was able to enter into that election network will see that vote in real time using blockchain. And if you want to go into blockchain, you have programming language like Solidity. Solidity is a good language for blockchain. So talking about game development, we have languages like C++, and yeah, C++ is a good programming, and we have IDEs like Unreal Engine and Unity. That's the two main IDEs in the gaming industry. And if you want to go into AI, we have languages like Python. Python is we have R. We have Python and R, that the two that they are good. They are good languages under AI.
Okay, please. There is something that just come to my head. That is just as a kind of question, so that we'll be understanding what we are discussing more and more. So I heard that maybe a good programmer with time supposed to understand almost maybe 70 or 80, or if possible, the whole programming language. I don't know whether it's possible or not, but from the programmer I heard such a statement from. He said that it's not just that the person will just come and learn everything at once, that as time goes on, the person will be learning it gradual by gradual. So I don't know whether it's something that is good, maybe is a good attempt for someone that is into a computer learning or computer skill can embark on.
I don't think it's a good practice, because maybe if you are into AI now, it's good for you to understand almost every, because programming languages, they do updates Like Python now, Python is around the current version of Python is around 3.14. It's updating on every 6 months. They're releasing new updates of Python. So for you to be learning Python and learn JavaScript and learn C++, I don't know, maybe if your brain can carry it, me, my brain can't carry it. I'm only doing web development. And even on that web development, the JavaScript frameworks that I use, React front end framework, and I use Node.js. I haven't even gone half of the the I haven't even gone half of the power of those languages. So you can't tell me to leave. Maybe I will leave JavaScript and start learning C++, and at the end you will end up not even using one.
Okay, okay. Thank you from giving us this wonderful information. But the question I want to ask again is that does it mean that an official website, maybe a well-known website, maybe cannot be well constructed with only AI? I don't know, like maybe AI cannot construct, you cannot use only AI to design maybe any kind of website that you want. That using AI to design a website, does it have an exception?
We are still in the artificial narrow intelligence stage of AI. That's ANI, the lowest part of AI. For now, AI in designing, writing code will just give you, maybe if you go to ChatGPT now and just tell you to give, because when I was designing this, I'm working on a project and a marketing automation software. So I'm using ChatGPT. Maybe I'll just go into ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give me a MongoDB query that will select just some things in the database, maybe if I don't understand the code. So ChatGPT will give me a code for it. But you telling ChatGPT to design a full website, I don't think, I've not tried it though. I'll just tell it to give me a code that will run just one particular task, and I'll copy the code and fix it in that part of the website that needs that code. So we are still in artificial narrow intelligence. That's the lowest stage of AI. And as I heard recently, that OpenAI, that's the company that owns ChatGPT, has achieved artificial general intelligence, which is the second stage of AI. And we are experimenting on that second stage of AI. Maybe in this stage now, AI will be able to design a full-fledged website. You can just bank on that. And
Okay, 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 no problem. Thank you for this information. Maybe talking about this AI, I understand what you are saying. Maybe we are still at the early stage of artificial intelligence. So, but the way I'm seeing AI, I believe that with time, AI will automatically take over almost everything. Only few jobs, understand, will not be take over by AI. Maybe job that is not that is highly technical. So, but I believe the where AI is going, for my own understanding, I strongly believe that with time AI will take over everything, both driving, both just even in hospital, even in farming, almost every human activities. I so much believe in artificial intelligence because as a content a creator, do you know that you can create content using only AI? Like AI will just write the contents to you and even generate video for you. That I'm telling you from my own experience. So that is the thing. Please, I would like you to press like and the subscribe button. It will help in the YouTube algorithm, and at the same time, it will help you. It will help YouTube to send the notification to you anytime I upload a new video. Thank you.
thank you. Please, thank you, Ikenna, for this wonderful interview. So, as I said, I'm Amoke Emmanuel, a web developer. So, thank you.
Thanks for watching.